Trusted roofing services in South Lake City, Utah. Are you searching for a trusted roofing contractor in South Lake City, Utah? Look no further than EagleRidge Roofing and Construction. We specialize in high-quality residential and commercial roofing services tailored to protect your property and enhance its value. At EagleRidge, we handle everything from new roof installations and repairs to complete replacements for a variety of roofing systems, including asphalt shingles, metal roofs, and flat roofs. Whether you're dealing with storm damage or simply need maintenance, our team of experts is here to help. Our process starts with a thorough inspection. We identify every detail to provide you with a tailored solution that fits your needs and budget. From start to finish, our commitment to clear communication and superior craftsmanship ensures you're in good hands. We're proud to offer free roofing inspections to get you started. Call us today at 801-784-1457 to schedule yours. Don't wait. Protect your home or business with the roofing experts trusted across the Wasatch Front. Here's why homeowners and businesses choose EagleRidge. We use premium materials for long-lasting results. We offer competitive pricing and industry-leading warranties. And most importantly, we're committed to delivering exceptional customer satisfaction. Our wide range of services includes roof inspections, repairs and replacements, gutter installations and ventilation solutions, commercial-grade roof coatings and maintenance programs, and so much more to meet all your roofing needs. At EagleRidge, we take pride in being Utah's premier roofing and construction experts. From Harriman to South Lake City, we're here to safeguard your property with roofs built to last. Don't wait until it's too late. Call EagleRidge Roofing and Construction at 801-784-1457 or visit us online at eagleridgepros.com. Schedule your free roofing inspection today and let us give you the peace of mind you deserve.